Well, welcome back. A look around the region right now. There's plenty of sun still. There's a few of those cirrus clouds beginning to move in, mid to upper 70s for the temperatures, and that wind is coming in from the south pretty gently. Let's go ahead and see if we can actually see what's going on with the radar. So again, here in middle Georgia, it's still very quiet, but we're going to look off to the northwest. We're seeing a little bit of rain over into parts of Alabama, and then we're just going to go ahead and zoom out to the whole southeast. Quite a bit of activity going on, especially over in Texas. Look at this, couple of active severe thunderstorm warnings right now over in western Tennessee, just east of that Memphis area. And then over in Texas right now, as you can see, there's a lot of that lightning and tornado watches out in effect as well. In fact, northern part of Texas is where the highest severe risk is for today, and not a single storm as of yet. That could be a nighttime threat. Anyways, bringing it back here to middle Georgia, we are looking good next couple of days before that threat arrives. We're keeping it very warm this evening. Cloud cover obviously is increasing as we go into tonight. We'll have a low of 58. A couple of isolated showers possible that'll come in from Alabama with that wind staying out of the south-southeast around 5 miles per hour. Could also be a chance for some patchy fog as we are expecting muggy conditions until that next cold front passes, which won't be until Thursday morning. Let's walk through this. All right, clouds move in tonight, showers possible overnight. We'll have the possibility for some showers tomorrow afternoon. We could see them tomorrow night. Could see them as going to Wednesday afternoon and evening. But in terms of thunderstorms, those likely aren't going to arrive until Wednesday night, Thursday morning. I do think this model is laggy a little bit in terms of the timing. I do think it's going to be very similar in timing to what came through last week. After midnight, getting into these northern counties and then clearing the southernmost counties as we get towards that 8, 9, 10 a.m. mark the next morning. So that's when that severe threat's going to be overnight. Make sure you're able to receive alerts, right? Wednesday, this is day 3's threat right now, so much of Alabama in that level 2, that level 1 coming into western Georgia. But then you see for Thursday, the entirety of middle Georgia has been highlighted for a 15% risk, which is going to likely transit to a level 2 for most of the region. At least that's where I'm estimating it'll be. So let's go ahead and move forward with this. Cloud cover ramps up. Obviously, we aren't going to have a whole lot going on overnight, but if you have somewhere to be, maybe bring a raincoat with you. A couple of isolated showers most certainly are going to be fair game as we roll into tomorrow morning. Much cloudier tomorrow, still warm, upper 70s, low 80s, and gentle, balmy breezes out of the south-southeast. We won't see those pick up a whole lot until we get into Wednesday, so there's possible for some fog as we go through Tuesday night into Wednesday, but it is going to be lower odds for that than tonight into tomorrow morning. As for Wednesday afternoon, I'm expecting it to be partly cloudy. It's going to get pretty hot and sticky, and that wind's getting strong ahead of those storms arriving Wednesday night. Your extended forecast is coming up in 10 seconds. Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is presented by Volume Chevrolet. It's pretty isolated for those odds tomorrow, very low, a little higher. It's again to Wednesday, but it's overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon should be pretty good. The wind will be strong out there, but make sure you're able to get those alerts, as just last week we had a couple of tornado warnings, actually tornadoes, earlier than 5 a.m.